My name is Rahab. Welcome to the chat room. I'm going to take you through how I implemented it, the user interface, the technologies used, and also how the code is. Currently, we have our heading and we have two boxes for the name and for the message, and we have three buttons for joining the chat, leaving the chat, and setting the chat. We also have a content where all the chats will be displayed in real time. I'm going to join the chat as Peter. Immediately I join the chat, the name field becomes disabled and I cannot be able to remove my name or use any other name. I'm also going to join the chat on the other side as Brandon, and immediately I join the chat, it becomes disabled. Unless I leave the chat, that's when I can change my name. And I'm going to send a message. See, it will be, "Hi Peter, how is you?" That's Brandon saying to Peter. And then Peter on the other side can reply and say, "I'm doing good." As we can see, both Peter and Brandon replied and said they're fine. And Brandon can be able to see what Peter wrote, and Peter can be able to see what the Brandon wrote. As you can see that we are having the chat, we have the date, and we have the actual time the chat was sent. Brandon will reply and say, "Okay, that's great," and Peter will be able to see that. Once I leave the chat, we disable the message such that you cannot be able to send any message once you are outside the chat. This is to avoid anonymity. These chats have been saved on the database. I'm going to show you my back-end code. This is the server side and the client side. On my server side is the index.js. The technologies have been used is Node.js and Express.js, and also there is MySQL on the other side to save. I've also used JEP templating aging to write my code. You can see I have a chatweb.jed, and I have my information to connect to the database, and I have the information which inserts to the database and also gets the chats from the database. Another thing is that I've used the socket.io to broadcast all my chats to make sure that all the screens are being updated dynamically as the chats are being sent. On my client side, I've used HTML. You can see I've used HTML. There's a use of CSS, and also I've been able to use JavaScript to take I've used JavaScript, the jQuery, to take the information from the different parts of the form to be processed. Once I load the information from the server side, I'm able to display the information by use of the keyword odd charts, which is being emitted on this side. I've also been able to display new message when they are sent, which this ensures that the client is able to get all the information. And then I have a function to get the timestamps, which enables us to get the real date, the time, and exact minute. Also, I have this button on click function, which ensures that once you join the chat, your name is being disabled such that you cannot edit it, and once you leave the chat, your name gets the message field gets disabled such that you cannot set anything. I'm going to take you through this is my .jed side of the web, which has the CSS and the implementation of the front end. I'm going to take you through my implementation of the database. I used my SQL database, and my table is called chat. It has four fields, but the most important is the chat name, the chat, and the chat time. You can see there is the name, what was your holidays, and the entire information. We can be able to see all the chats that happened between the Brian, Elizabeth, and Wood, and it's possible that all these people are communicating and their chats are being saved such that once they rejoin the chat in the chat room, they will be able to see them. That's my application. Thank you.